In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a timetable in Notion. Let's jump right in. Start by looking at the left sidebar of your Notion workspace. Click on New Page to open up a fresh blank page where your timetable will live. Once the new page opens, click the page title field at the top. This is where you'll name your timetable. Go ahead and type the title you want for your timetable, something that clearly describes what this schedule is for. Now move down to the empty page body just below the title. Click into that area and type a / to bring up the block menu. From the list of options that appears, click Table. If Notion shows you multiple table choices, make sure you choose the plain table option, not a database table. After selecting it, confirm that a small simple table grid has appeared on the page. Next, let's adjust the size of your table. If you want to add more columns, look at the bottom right corner of the table. You'll see a small plus icon there. Click and drag it outward to add as many columns as you need for your schedule. To add more rows, find the plus icon along the bottom row of the table. Drag it downward to add as many rows as you want. Now it's time to start filling in your timetable. Click the first cell in the top row, which will act as your header row. Type the word time, or any label you'd like to use for this column on your timetable. Type each column you want. It's either weekly or monthly or days. Continue every column until every column have a label. After that, click the first cell in the second row. Type in the first time slot you want to include in your schedule. Then click the first cell in the third row and type the second time slot you want to add. Next, click the first cell in the fourth row and type the third time slot you'd like to include. Continue this pattern for any additional time slots. Once your time column is filled in, it's time to add your actual schedule entries. Click the second cell on the second row and type whatever activity or task belongs in that slot on your schedule. Then click the second cell on the third row and type the next entry from your schedule. Continue moving through each cell in the same way, filling in the rest of the activities until your timetable is complete. And now you know how to create a timetable in Notion.